This is our ingredients in making our homemade pizza dough for our Hawaiian pizza. We need 2 1/3 cups of bread flour. I just separate the 1 cup each of bread flour, and this 1/3 cup we will use this for dusting our hands. 3/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of yeast. You can use dry yeast or instant yeast. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine 1 cup of flour, dry yeast or instant yeast, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Add the olive oil and water. Stir until well combined. Add gradually the remaining 1 cup of flour. The dough will still be slightly sticky, but still should be manageable with our hands later while forming a dough into a round shape. Using a clean large bowl, it is a separate bowl. We will wipe a generous amount of olive oil, or you can use brush to wipe all the sides of the large bowl. I use kitchen paper and put some olive oil. Using a remaining 1/3 cup of bread flour, we will dust our working place. And our hands, and we will roll the dough to form a round shaped ball. 20 inches pizza dough that I make, I use rolling pin to form it into a pizza shape. But if you don't have rolling pin, you can use your hand, but it will take time. We will spray some olive oil and wipe it using a kitchen paper or tissue paper. We will transfer our dough to a baking pan or pizza pan. We will pull the edge to form a crust. We will spray some olive oil on top of our pizza dough. Use fork to poke holes all over our pizza dough. To keep the dough from bubbling up in the oven. This is our ingredients in making our Hawaiian pizza. Homemade pizza dough, sauce for our pizza. I use tomato sauce, ketchup, salt, chili powder, and sugar. Just mix all together. Thinly sliced ham, grated cheese, and our sliced pineapple. Put some sauce on top of our pizza dough. The sauce depends on how much you want for your pizza. Put some ham. And cheese. Put some pineapple slices.
Yeah.
Pizza. This is our Hawaiian pizza. We will bake our pizza for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
A few moments later.
Our Hawaiian pizza is done. That's it, guys.